everyone. Today we are going to solve activity question 12.3. So here we have with our first question. Which of the following is or are probability density function? So first of all, if we have to check if this is a probability density function, then we would be saying that the total area should be equal to 1, right? So let's check one by one. Fine. Now let's check for this one. Okay. So yeah. Now we will divide it into sub areas like this. Okay, so this is the first area, second and third. Fine. Now let's calculate the area of the first region. So this is a rectangle, and area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Fine. So the total area would be for the first, so total area would be first region plus second region plus third region. Okay, so for the first region the area would be from 0 to 1, the distance is 1 into this distance is, let's say, 0.25. Fine. Now for the second region, this region. Okay, so the length is from 1 to 1.5, which is 0.5 into height is 1. Fine. Now for the third region, this is the third region, from 1.5 to 2, the distance is 0.5 into the height is, this is here, so let's say it is 0.5. Fine. So this will be equal to 0.25 plus 0.5 plus 0.25, which will be equal to 1. So that means the total area is equal to 1. So this is the probability density function. Let's check for the second one. Okay, so let's similarly we will divide this into three regions, first, second and third. Okay, so for the first region, okay, so it is 1 into 0.5, okay, plus for the second region the distance is 0.5 into height is 1 plus from 1.5 to 2, which is 0.5 into 0.5. So this is equals to 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.25, that is 1.25. So this is greater than 1, not equal to 1. So this is not a correct PDF. Okay, now let's check for the C. Now these are the three regions, first, second and third. Fine. So for the first region the area would be from 0.5 to 1, the distance is 0.5 into the height is, this is 0.5. Okay, now for the second region the distance is 0.5 into the height is 1. For the third region 0.5 into 0.5, right? So it will be 0.25 plus 0.5 plus 0.25, which is equals to 1. So that means this is a correct PDF because the total area is coming out to be 1. Now the last option, let's calculate the area. So here we have 4 regions. Fine. This is the first, second, third and fourth. Fine. So the total area would be first plus second plus third and plus fourth. So for the first region the area is 1 into 0.25. Fine. Now for the second it is from 0.5 into 1. For the third it is from 0.25 and the height is 0.5. Now for the fourth region this is the distance. So first of all, if we look here, this point is half of 1.75 plus 2 by 2. This is the half, okay, which is 1.875. Now we will calculate, this is 1.875. okay, now we will calculate this distance from 1.75 to 1.875, which will be equal to 0.125. okay, so now the distance is 0.125 into height is 1. okay, so these are the areas of the 4 regions. Let's calculate 0.25 0.5 plus 0.125 plus 0.125. This will be equal to 1. So we see that this is also a correct PDF because it's the area, the total area is coming out to be 1. So we see that option A, option C and option D are the correct answer. Fine.